Something spectacular. I know. Chew on your fist.
Where's his toy? Give him his toy.
You should.
We'll do something then.
You should chew on your fist.
You got it going, Joey?
Yikes! He's
Yeah,
wild.
it's recording.
And he's wild with it.
After a lot of stuff necessary.
That's his newest trick. You can get something in his mouth. And he's pretty happy about it. Huh? You're pretty happy about it, huh?
Look at the camera. Look, it's like me, it's the camera.
You know, last Saturday night, Sharon and Jan gave us a not exactly a
I can see you.
startled us. We had been watching Billy Graham.
Get some water. Do you want some?
He was
I have some right here.
Oh, he likes that red cup.
He says, you better see to it that you're
Hey,
on the
sister,
right
what you got?
or
Jill!
he is coming back.
Juice.
He is coming back.
He wants some.
And
Not allowed.
I said it from my
What does he
chair, and I
drink?
looked out the window, and
Milk.
here's a flashlight out there.
Breast milk.
My God, he's here already.
If I poke your cheek, what will you do?
Just don't poke his eye. Oh, you didn't even get near. She won't share with you?
I'm sorry.
She won't share with you.
Is it the juice?
I know. She said your mom said no. Well, just go over there and get some. Oh, look at that face. So sad. She won't share her juice with
Come
you.
over here and see me, sweetheart. Haven't seen you for a long time. You've been so busy. How are you?
Really? What happened? What happened? Can't hardly hold his head up. He's getting tired.